Xbox player, man. The fellow's on the Xbox all night.
I've gained a lot of knowledge on how to set up my goals properly and how to work around my barriers that might come up for me if I want to do some career path.
I've gained to push myself harder, even though if I don't want to do it, to believe in myself and not to blame myself for other people's mistakes or my mistakes, just to continue on with life.
I would like to go to university and study probably teaching and probably become a teacher, hopefully, or a teacher's aide, or do something in the community where I'm giving back and just helping out my Indigenous community, especially the children.